So what's more important when you're buying a home? The location or the house? Are you interested in having a place that's good for commuting and has metro access like this? Or a place that has great schools, amenities, and parks with basketball courts like this? Well, luckily you don't have to choose. Here at 4714 20th Street, we're in the heart of North Arlington, and as you see, this home has been renovated from top to bottom. You're gonna wanna check this one out.